Welcome to a Panther Security Systems Limited how-to video. This video shows how to replace the battery in an MC302V vanishing door contact. This works on the PowerMaster control panel range. If your control panel indicates a low battery on this device, the first task is to prise apart the two halves of the device with a flathead screwdriver. The existing battery lifts out from this location and is a type CR2032. The replacement battery is simply clipped into place, taking care that the positive terminal is uppermost. Replace the two halves back together, ensuring that the plastic locating lugs are aligned and snap together, and the job's done.